Oh, it's just me and you.
Yep, yep. Good morning, good morning, good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. Monday, October 6th. Another day to make a dollar. We're here live, ready to make some money. G, how was your weekend, sir?
Pretty chill, chill, no complaints. Cool.
We'll take it. We'll take it. I'm excited because it's crazy for me. Like every weekend, I'm like just like itching to get back on Monday
Cool.
because I truly enjoy and love doing this. So nothing beats it.
Hmm.
Let's see what we got here. Let's get on the charts. Should have a full house this morning.
Said what?
For the YouTube stream, for the people over there, you're going to hear other voices other than my own. Those are the members of the Legacy Wealth Society, a trading community built in for helping new traders and seasoned traders actually make real profits from the market. So with that being said, stay safe in the market, and we're going to get it done today. Alrighty, so for the overnight session, this market just completely shot up, which is pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. It opened, let's see where it opened at for the overnight, at 25.11. Went all the way up, let's see here, to 25,241. That's wild. So that's the new all-time high at that 241 level. It's a new all-time high for the Nasdaq here. We're gonna have to see what we truly get because I hate just staying up here at the all-time highs. Not gonna lie, it's not comfortable for me because eventually the market's gonna come down. Yeah, I just don't want to be in a trade when it's coming down.
Right. I mean, right now, looking at it, well, wow. Right now, I mean, it's looking like a consolidating day to me.
Yeah, we're gonna see if we get like some chop today. It's a no news Monday, so we already know with no news Mondays, we gotta be careful. We gotta be careful. I did get my 2K payout over the weekend, so
Right.
no complaints there. No complaints there. Pushing for another 2K payout this week from Tradeify once again.
On that same funded account, right?
Yeah, on the same account. So getting the next 2K. Well, actually, I can request 2,500 this week because they scale you 500 each week.
Though they do.
Yeah, you can request an additional 500 each week.
Really?
Yep. So with that one, it would be 2,500, and that would put my balance. That would literally give me $6,000 paid out on this account
That's what's up, man.
in less than 30 days. So,
I'm trying to be like you.
hey man, slowly but surely. That's all I can say. Slowly but surely. I did reinvest some of that 2K. I got 3 more growth accounts from Tradeify.
You mean growth accounts? Meaning, oh, the okay, I got you.
I do the growth accounts because there's no activation fee.
So it's good to do the growth accounts then.
Yes, if you're able to pass them. That's the whole thing.
Okay.
So if someone's still like fighting some battles, getting them account pass, I don't recommend it.
Okay.
Only because in order to pass it, it's still the same. You have to put the 3K in, everything like that. But if you don't pass, you're out that additional $50. So if you blow up, you're out the additional $50. Unlike the regular advanced account, that's only like $48.
Oh, but with the growth account, how much is it? It's 50?
It's like 97.
Oh, 90?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's why I always tell people to start with the advanced accounts, just so that way they're not risking more than what they need to. Because if you blow up a $50 account compared to a $100 account, you know, that's 2 evals right there.
Right. Mm-hmm.
Welcome to the YouTube stream. Welcome over there, gentlemen and potentially ladies. Hope you're ready to trade. We got 4 more minutes before market opens today. We're going to make some money, and we're going to keep it moving. But yeah, so today, depending upon how the market's moving today, I'm going to try getting some more of those growth accounts passed, or at least put a nice dent in them today so they can get past tomorrow.
With the growth, is it you have the what? With the growth accounts, is it the 50K, the 100K? Or...
It's the 50K.
Oh, 50K?
Yep.
Oh.
I do the 50Ks.
Okay. All right.
They're the cheapest, so.
All right. I may try. Well, okay.
And with that, they also have, you can't lose $12.50 in a day, or else you'll get locked out of the account for the day.
Oh, for the day, but the next day you'll be good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Want to see if we got this big gap to the close from Friday.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see, all the way down at 24,982. That's the close from Friday. So I want to see if we fill that gap, potentially get a nice solid pullback. But we're going to see. We're up here. We hit all-time highs once again for the overnight session. So today I'm going to be patient, not rushing. I'm not Ukrainian either. Since I said not Russian. Dad joke right there for everyone on the YouTube stream. Sorry about that. It's Monday. No news today. I know Moose, Steve, all of them will be getting on today as well. So should get a little bit more conversations on the stream today. Because I got to mess with Moose. He showed up late on Saturday. So I'm going to have to mess with him, G.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. All right, we got less than 2 minutes here for market open. All right, market. Less than a minute now. Less than a minute. I'm going to try holding off on jumping in, but you know how that goes. The Tradeify accounts, those will only get traded after 9:45. All right, market's open. Market's officially open.
Oh, it's going down.
We had that big gap up for that overnight session.
Mm-hmm.
I want to see if we actually build out a flag. I want to see it push up here, potentially keep us going down, because we got that big gap up for that overnight session.
Right?
So I'm already expecting some type of a pullback. Good morning. Good morning.
Morning, Steve.
Hey, what's shaking, everybody?
Another day in paradise. So
That's it. We just went on a big hike, so
nice.
yeah. It was just my wife decided to take a day, so we just checked out some plants and did some walking and chilling.
Okay.
Right,
Awesome.
right.
Lots of selling pressure right here, but we're going to see what we actually get. Locked in 315 on that one. So we'll take that. Going to rotate to the next one. Trade my Tradeify accounts at 945. I'll YOLO on my Apex account, funded accounts, but my Tradeify, those are.
Do you have funding ticks or no?
I do not have any funding ticks currently.
Yeah, I still got one.
They took all the brooms off there at the same time. I'm just kidding.
My brother, he's actually going to be starting a trade with Tradeify.
Hey man, I love your brother. You know that.
Yep. All right, 470 on that one. Rotating to the next one. We got pivot point below us, all the way down 144. We had a massive gap up for the overnight session. So if you got on the stream a little bit sooner, I would have been saying I feel like a gap we have to fill that gap somewhat. We have to get some type of pullback if we're going to keep pushing up.
So we got to keep pushing.
I did take a 2K payout on Friday. It actually hit the account on Friday night as well, so that was nice.
I did see that. That was cool.
So I reinvested some of those trading profits. I bought 3 more growth accounts with Tradeify. So we're going to try getting those passed. Not try, we're going to get those passed.
Yeah. What's this trying stuff, man? What group am I in right now?
Let's see. Are we still going to have this momentum to the downside? We got that pivot point right below us. Didn't get the follow through on that one. I'm slightly tempted to potentially take another stab at it here. I want to see if the bulls push up just slightly before it continues down, because I feel like that pivot point has to get touched.
Morning.
Morning, sir. Top of the morning to you.
Who took a trade?
I took 3 trades so far for the day.
3 trades? We
Three
just started 10 minutes ago.
So currently green in 2 of the accounts, red in this account. I didn't get the follow through when I hit the button, but I'm not trading my Tradify account, so 9:45.
You took a buy?
I took a sell, but I feel like this is going to be a bear flag right here, and we have a pivot point below us, so.
I think it's gonna eventually these trades go up.
So how are you doing, Moose?
What's up?
I said, how are you doing, Moose?
I'm good. How you doing?
Hey, man, I can't complain.
I love it.
Well, we all can complain, but we choose not to.
How was your birthday, right? Your birthday, right?
Yeah, man, it was great. I did one day I did a roast. We brined it for 3 days, and then I cooked it for 6 hours, and the kids came over. And then yesterday I did the ribs and like a whole chicken and stuff. So we ate like kings.
That's awesome. How old are your kids?
They're between 15 and 23 almost.
Nice.
22
Oof.
and change.
Those
you
ages.
You still keep you busy.
Oh yeah, all 4 of them. They keep me busy. I mean, 3 of them are in college age, but it's like my youngest son is like he's like a young Turk, man. He likes to lift weights and all that stuff. So he keeps me in shape too.
That's beautiful. Listen, we're only as old as our heart desires, right?
Hey, I think that Duane will attest that I'm kind of youthful that way, right, Duane?
Oh yeah.
That's great. That's awesome. That is awesome. Congrats. I'm glad you had a good time.
Oh yeah, man. It's awesome. Thank you.
Yo, G, did you make your 54,000 already? I'm like, G, how's it going? He's like, I made 38,000. I'm like, holy shit. How the fuck you do that?
Tapping that 21 EMA right there.
Tap away.
What is that bear flag doing?
Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for right here, because we have that push up. So if the bears complete this follow through, that would be our bear flag right here on this 1 minute. But they have to have the follow through. All right, so cleaned up that $500 loss on this. Only got a $50 loss now, so we'll take that. There's that bear flag playing out right there. Feel like we gotta hit that pivot point.
Order canceled.
Who's that?
Who dat?
Who that?
That wasn't me. Well, I did take a trade. I
That
got
was-
stopped
that
out
was-
once again.
That was Duane coming through the thing.
No, that one wasn't me. That was someone else. That was probably G or someone.
No,
That definitely wasn't me.
Oh, it's always G. It's
No,
always
it's
G.
not.
Whenever there's a trade, it's G.
It wasn't me.
That's hilarious.
Definitely wasn't me because
I have mine on mute, so you won't know.
that was Dwayne. Hold on, that was Dwayne.
No, I don't have audio on mine, so it wasn't me.
It was Steve. It was Steve.
All right, what of it?
Steve's playing it off like it wasn't him. He's like, oh no, who was that?
It was Steve.
So there's no news today.
No News Monday.
Yeah, no news Monday.
So you know how we love No News Mondays. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yep.
they just get you excited for the week. Like, man, no news coming out. Gotta love it. Now I'm gonna just hold off and wait till 9:45 because I switched over to my Tradify accounts. We're gonna keep it moving. Slightly tempted, not gonna lie, slightly tempted to put my Tradeovate on because I could create a group. I like the copy trader more on Tradeovate than the one I have on Ninja Trader currently. It's a third party app for Ninja, and it's not as clean. It's not as clean. So I'm like, since I'm trading, I want to trade the 3 other growth accounts. So I copy trade off my funded account, which I take extremely serious. So that's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking.
He's thinking.
Got that bear flag right there again. So that's 2 bear flags on that 1 minute. Look at, okay, that's hourly candles. Big old red candle for the hourly. So let's see what we get. Green in 2 accounts, red in 1 account. Already traded 3 accounts this morning. Getting ready to trade some more. Welcome to the YouTube stream, everyone over there. Hope you're having a fantastic Monday.
Like and subscribe.
Oh, yeah. Like and subscribe. Thank you.
You're welcome.
We're coming down to this pivot point. And right below that pivot, we have the VWAP. So we're going to be careful. Let's see if we reject off this pivot or if we push through. Close from Friday all the way down at 24,982. 24,982. So got quite a bit to get there. We got this pivot that I was talking about earlier. Almost touched it right there. We're going, all right, through the pivot, through the VWAP. Let's see how we react here. If we lose this pivot and VWAP, we're on waterfall.
That was 400 right there. I'm on 1 contract, guys.
Good job.
If that was 4, if that was 4, that would have been $1,000.
Yep.
I'm just gonna wait. It's too far down already.
Keep going down.
I want to see if we build out another flag.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
I jumped at a 938. Damn.
I want the bulls to push up here just slightly. I don't want to tap that pivot. I just want like two green candles to keep us coming down, to give us that nice bull flag, bear flag. Or if we do tap that pivot, we use that to reject off of to keep us going lower.
Oh, it's coming up off the VWAP.
There's the VWAP and the pivot point.
Pivot point.
Yep.
Look like you want to go up. Oh. Go back up. Now it's above the pivot point.
Not stressing that because we gotta push up slightly to come down for a bear flag. So with how aggressive it pushed through that pivot initially in that VWAP, sellers may try and control this morning for right now. So not trying to jump in front of anything that we shouldn't, put it that way. Let's see if the Bears are getting ready to step in here. I want textbook setups today.
Pivot point and the VWAP.
All right, we did not reject there. Looking at that 5-minute as well. Looking interesting. Looking interesting right now. Just waiting for the setup to be an A++ right now. Welcome to the YouTube stream, everyone over there. Happy Monday.
What you trying to build? What that's looking like on a 2-minute, Duane?
I'm looking at the 2-minute. I'm not a fan of it right now, being real.
Mm-hmm.
We got the 21 EMA right above us at the 176 area. So kind of looking more so at the higher time frames right now just to see what's actually happening. Well, trying to at least. So on the hour candle, like the bulls are trying to push it up, but we got a long wick on that candle for the hour candle, so $15-minute range is completed as well. So we're right up here at the middle of this 15-minute range. So just holding right now. Want to see some type of movement in either direction. Doesn't matter what direction, in either direction here. So
I don't know. It's like they want to go up and make, push up a little bit.
well, it's trying to complete a bull flag on the 1-minute time frame.
Mm-hmm.
But we're sitting right here in the middle of this 15-minute range. And I've learned from plenty of getting chopped up in the middle that you gotta wait till we get past the middle to the high or the low to execute trades. Because sitting right in the middle.
Ooh, take that back. What they about to do is drop.
If the Bears have the follow through right there, we'll on the 5-minute, that will be a complete bear flag. But the Bears have to step in here to get that done.
they are not right now at the moment.
Yeah, we just got these long wicks on the bottom of these candles looking at the 2 minute where buyers are trying to step in. All right, so we just cleared that previous candle wick on the 2 minute.
That's on the VWAP.
There's the VWAP. We tapped that VWAP and the pivot right there. So if the bears become aggressive and push through both, let's see how far they push it.
I think I want to wait till the 10 o'clock candle.
It's choppy right above it. It's going up and down. Choppy.
Stopped out right there. I was hoping for more follow through there. Didn't get it. So now I'll just hold and wait. Look at that wick on that 5 minute candle.
Big wick, too. Right back in by that pivot point in the VWAP too.
Yep.
Again, shot right back up. It's like as soon as it touches it, but all right. That's
No news Monday. Gotta love it.
Huddle on that.
Just waiting for the move here.
I see that bear flag looking good on that 2 minute.
Yeah, it's finding support on that.
Yep.
EMA or that pivot and that VWAP.
Yeah, we just gotta push through both of those. I want to see a waterfall. I need a waterfall right now.
Why aren't you wearing your Niagara Falls t-shirt?
I was gonna wear that like tomorrow. Or on the 9th when we have news again. So tapping that pivot point right there, tapping that pivot point.
Probably update the phone.
We gotta get through that VWAP and through that pivot. above that pivot once again. So this current area holding this price right now. So
Testing.
we got the VWAP and that pivot acting as a magnet trying to hold this price right around it. I want to clear it to either direction, above or below, to be able to jump in here. All right, I'm back. Sorry about that. Manager called and I'm like, ah, he knows I'm on stream, so I gotta see what's going on here. Nothing important. Nothing important. Gotta love it. He forgot I was on stream.
He just wanted to say hi.
Something like that. All right, is this gonna be the waterfall right here? Nope, did not get the waterfall yet. When we lose this level,
It's solid feet right under it.
yep.
All right, now it's over it. I feel like another potential bear flag is forming. Little one, but
Coming up on the 10 o'clock hour. 10 o'clock hour coming up. Less than 2 minutes now. Less than 2 minutes for 10 o'clock. So even though we have no news coming out at 10, still be careful. It's that whole time frame. So
It's like trucking up to see that EMA, maybe.
potentially,
it's above it.
On mine, the EMA is 166.
yep, same here for on the 2 minute.
Yeah.
So on the 2 minute and the 1 minute, the EMAs are in different spots.
Yeah, because it's 160 on the one. I
Yeah.
tend to look at the two because it kind of seems like that's what you're reading off of mostly, but I have it all here. And the 5 minute is 177.
Back in this area right now. 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock here, so almost tapped that 21 EMA on the 2 minute.
That's like that country song that didn't make it. It's 10 o'clock here, and then instead of 5 o'clock somewhere.
All right, tap that 21 EMA right there. All right, through the middle of that 15-minute range. Below the middle of that 15-minute range. So sitting on the hands currently, just waiting.
Yeah, I see the hands are below the desk, but how do we know that the mouse isn't there?
All right, Bear's trying to step in here once again. Huge wick on that 2-minute candle in the 5.
Oh, yeah.
There's the VWAP and pivot point tap. Want to get away from this pivot and this VWAP.
Right in between it again.
Just patiently waiting here.
Your patience is amazing, actually. I got to give you credit. For those that are not normally on the stream, this is extreme patience from Duane.
I just want to either break through that pivot and VWAP and waterfall down, or push hard up like a rocket ship.
Yeah, that's it. And I see it's like, it's kind of testing the EMA and then that, and then it's going to get tighter and tighter. It's got to pop soon.
There's that 21 EMA once again.
This thing is dead.
Did it go over it?
It tapped it. It pushed through slightly and then just rejected off of it.
Okay.
Tapping it once again on the 2-minute. Sitting right in the middle of this 15-minute range.
Don't diddle in the middle.
About that. Don't diddle in the middle.
Yeah, we ain't diddling in the middle of the day. Let's see. Where are we trying to go? That's the question. That pivot and that VWAP held this price up. Bears trying to step in. I see a flag, a somewhat of a flag on that 5 minute.
Looking like a bear. I mean, a bull.
For me, I see more of a bear flag on this 5.
5, yeah. But you see, look at those wicks, man.
And that's the only thing that's makes everything hesitant, because those buyers were trying to keep that price up. So just use that 21 EMA support right there. We tapped in, it got bought right back up.
This is so annoying.
Oh, yeah.
No news Monday. No news Monday.
How many contracts you guys doing, G?
1.
Why?
100.
Yeah. G is like Duane. He's like 1 in 6 in 6 minutes. He's even like da, 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 da. He just presses away.
But nah, I've been looking at my journals and stuff just to see, man. But nah, man, I've been over trading, so I gotta relax on that.
Yep. But that's good that you saw it on your journal.
I mean, that's like the thing that you've taught us in this group is like, no matter where you're at, you're gonna learn something every day.
Yep.
You're always making those adjustments.
Every grain of sand builds a sand castle, right?
Yeah, there you go, man. He's writing fortune cookies now.
Little by little. You'll make your
starting to pull
fund
back
day,
down by swapping that pivot point. Oh, that bear flag on that 5.
Yeah, we gotta get the follow through though. Because even with that slight little pullback right there, the bulls are trying to buy it right back up. Still holding, still holding. Want to see us get through that pivot in that VWAP. There's the pivot and the VWAP. Want to lose this area that we're currently in.
It's like going in. It's going through and it comes. It's like a. Starts consolidating right when it gets through. Right when you up in the
Are you looking for it to get through like the 35 range just to kind of break clear, Dwayne?
Yeah, I want to clear some of these wicks.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. I kind of drew a. Looks like it kind of rebound just about a skosh lower than now.
Because the further away we get from this pivot, the better. Because we've literally been holding in this area every time we got down here. So
Literally, I drew like a horizontal line and it parked right on it and rebounded. The right, it's right where we said.
man, when this thing breaks, it's gonna go quick. Above that pivot.
Oh, the EMA again? Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Trying to come back down to that pivot point once again. It's slowly creeping back down there. No news Monday. So that's the range that we're just sitting in right now.
I won't be ready in 5 minutes, April. It's a dollar store. Oh, rotten, so can make some potatoes.
price isn't even moving right now. This is crazy.
Well, it's like watching a hockey game. I could go like mow my lawn and come back and the score is the same.
All right, there's the middle of the 15-minute range right there. The bears do not want this price going above the middle of that 15-minute range right there. So let's see what we get. Still sitting in this range right now. Just tapped the 21 EMA right there as well. Nothing better than watching paint dry. Nothing better than watching paint dry, gentlemen. All we can do is sit here and wait.
Hey, I'm all for it.
I want to make some money.
Right,
I've already put
right,
some money in my funded accounts, but
right at the right time too, man. You know, feel like rushing it. That's what happens. Like, so I feel like if we sit patiently and wait for that right setup.
oh, it definitely pays to wait. It definitely pays to wait.
Either a long or short, just a long or short setup, whatever comes our way. Man, look at those bottom wicks.
You know? I just want. Now I'm starting to like. I know we can't rush the market, but it's like, come on, give us something. Tapping that 21 EMA once again, bought right back up right there. It's definitely tight right now. This zone that we're currently in is a tight zone. Want to get below this 21 EMA, possibly go down, tap that VWAP in that pivot again. But just waiting here.
No, they just watching right now.
All right, through that middle of the 15-minute range right there.
This is annoying. Again.
All right, starting to get some movement. Just cleared all those selling wicks. Now let's see if we start pushing back up here. Right back to that middle of the 15-minute range. Look at that wick on that 5-minute candle right there. Coming up to that 21 EMA. We haven't tapped it yet. All right, through that 21 right there. Let's see if it's going to act as support, hold this price up. Bought right back up right there. Another big wick. That big wick on that 5-minute. Through that 21 EMA. I want some follow through to this VWAP. I'll take a quick scalp to that VWAP if we have some momentum there.
If that VWAP, if it breaks down through the VWAP, I think it should go down to like 109.
Yeah.
So a quick little catch, you know?
Well, once it gets below that VWAP, 140, 143, jumping in.
9 contracts.
Not the 9 contracts.
It's like he's a mob hitman. You know what I mean?
It won't even let me do 9 contracts.
Oh damn! So in other words, he tried.
Yeah.
No, I never tried. I mean, Duane said you can on a conference.
Yeah, you can't with TradeFi. You can't trade 9 contracts on a 50K account.
On a 50K account.
So I made like $40 right there. So annoying. I was just trying to clean this account just slightly.
Oh, don't
Wow.
worry. It's gonna go down more. It's gonna go
Now I'm
down
gonna wait.
I'm
Going
waiting for that
down.
140. I'm waiting for boy. I'm waiting for once it get to that range. I'm going for the short. Once you get by that VWAP, once it goes through it though, then we'll go from there.
Down at the VWAP.
I just don't like these wicks.
So the bottom one, the bottom wicks, right?
Just don't like the wicks. That's it.
They're almost, yep.
Getting ready to push through. Hopefully this VWAP. But we got that pivot point right below at the 144 level. So
Once it goes below that, I'm jumping in. Jumping in.
we patiently waited. Let's see if the market pays us now. It's like inching closer and closer to this VWAP, but it's not touching it yet.
This is like a toxic relationship. We just stay in knowing it's going bad right now.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
You're in a trade right now?
No.
Oh.
Why does it look like it's like the middle of the Transylvania woods outside? Is it?
Damn, bro, this shit just
A big old bear flag on that 5 minute. When this thing breaks, it's gonna break.
Gotta do some breakdancing.
Tons of consolidation right here. Tons of consolidation. All this is consolidation right here.
yeah. Oh,
All right.
oh,
Breaking through that VWAP. Tap that pivot. We tap that pivot.
Exactly what I thought it was going to do. Wow, right in between it. Do that drop? Finger on the trigger.
Fingers on the trigger. Ready. Ready.
Consolidating back up to it. Yo.
Tap the line, yellow line on that 5 minute chart.
Come on, Bessie. Come on.
It just keep coming back. It's like a magnet. The pivot point.
We gotta get
Pivot.
below this pivot, probably down towards like the 25 132 area.
Yeah, I have where I drew that on the lower part of the previous wicks. I still got the line, and it's in that neighborhood, and it's like that's what I'm waiting for. Oh.
Uh-oh.
All right, let's see if we
Whoa.
let's see if we get the follow through.
Hey, Duane, thank you for starting this group, man.
No, of course.
No, I mean, it shows the character of a man. They would do something like this.
Well, I know what this can do for all of us at the end of the day. Didn't get the follow through right there, so slightly annoyed on that one.
I made 280 on that one.
Hey, at least someone made something on it.
Whatever Dwayne's doing, go against him.
Congrats.
I'm teasing.
That's crazy. That's crazy right there.
That's. I was just teasing, man. I have the utmost respect for you. I just wish you like the best in all things. I know your integrity, man, and how you operate.
Let me rotate. Where's it at?
And he's ignoring it and making faces at the screen. That's nice.
Gonna probably in the trade.
No, I'm not in a trade.
Oh yeah, gee, he's.
I'm rotating accounts.
That's listen to this guy.
There we go. Looks like we're getting a bear flag on the 2 minute now. We got this just cleared 1 wick from a previous candle. I feel like the low of that 15-minute range is calling now. That 116 level.
Be calling, but is the market going to answer?
We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Let me become a little bit smarter right now. Drink some smart water. feel like that 116's calling.
It's saying maybe I want to go to the pivot point. What do you think about that?
I say unbelievable.
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 Oh.
I'm gonna stay on stream, but I'm probably done taking trades a day. Put some money in some funded accounts, lost some money in some funded accounts. Not liking the movement.
Today was
Yeah, not feeling the movement today.
But it's okay. Like, let me tell you, man, I appreciate like you having this opportunity that we could trade with you.
No, of course.
Today was a little bit of caca.
Yeah. It's a no news Monday. We've stayed in this 15-minute range as well so far for the day.
Yeah.
Yeah, as you can see, this bottom yellow line, we've stayed in this range ever since we had the drop from this morning at 9:30. We've stayed in this range.
Yes.
Today sucks. Oh my goodness.
Tapping that pivot point. Got the VWAP right above us right there.
Going right back to the VWAP. Jesus Christ.
Oh, look at that.
Got somewhat of a bear flag on that 5-minute. But we got to get some follow through. $8.20 right there. Popped out of that 15-minute range. Popped right back into the 15-minute range.
Made a quick 155. No press.
Made 106 today. Shit.
Hey, that's 106 more than you had.
Better than nothing.
Yeah, but I'm trying to aim for at least a minimum of like 500 a day.
Aim for 200. 200 a day.
Yeah.
Do that for a month straight consistently, then up it. Because off of you doing 200 a day for a month, you could take at least one payout from Tradeify
Yeah, you're right.
for 1,500.
Yeah.
Because I'm not gonna lie, I blew the account I just took a payout on Friday. I just blew it today.
Is that why you're touching your head like that?
That is. Granted, I only had in drawdown on it like $900 left. That's why I blew it. But still frustrating. On that account, I only took out $3,500 before blowing it. So
You did good.
oh, it's still. I flipped $100 into 3,500 on that account, so I'm not
You're
mad
touching
about
your head over that. Most people would gladly touch your head if they could do that same thing.
it. Feel like we're going to possibly pop up to touch that pivot point again. Haven't touched it yet. Because we got that 21 EMA right at that pivot as well. VWAP right above it. So a lot of things in that small little area calling for it to pop up. So all right, didn't get there. Seller's trying to step in. Going to be getting off at 11 o'clock. With the market staying in this range, just no need to sit around just to watch it chop in this area. So
Yep, I agree. 11 o'clock, I'm done.
I gotta go lick my wounds, since I lost a funded account today.
Lick my wounds.
It makes it. The only thing that makes it feel a little bit better is knowing that I did get $3,500 off of it
That's good.
before losing it. You know.
So in other words, you traded it for free and made money.
Oh, I definitely made money. I made literally $3,400 on it.
Yeah,
So-
exactly. So you know, that's not a bad trade. You know,
No.
a trade off. You know,
I was going for another payout on that account this week, so that's why it's slightly frustrating.
yeah, I get it.
All right, there's that pivot. There's the VWAP.
All right, quick 260. I'm up 346 for the day.
Leave it at that. Don't trade it anymore.
No, I'm good now.
Don't trade it anymore. How far are you from a payout?
No, I'm still far.
Okay.
Well,
I have a few more days on this, and then little by little,
Okay.
I get out of it, and then
get green and stop.
Yep.
yeah. No more home runs.
Yep. No home runs. The home
If
runs.
if they happen, they happen. But otherwise, you play it right.
Yeah, exactly. I give myself I try to give myself a minimum a day.
Yeah.
Because I could sit here and make 1,000, right? But I'll be sitting in a trade for a while to make that 1,000.
Yeah.
And then your heart comes to it has a heart situation.
There's a rejection right there. Back below that pivot point.
I feel if I make like 300-400 a day, it's comfortable enough. That's $2,000 a week. That's $8,000 a month.
Yeah.
$8,000, I can live off that.
Well, you might have to cut back on some of your hair care products, but
I know.
We're in this area where we've literally been chopping all day at.
chop it up. Chop it up. We got the pivot, we got the EMA, and we got the VWAP, like
Yep.
all there, just like.
I want to see if I get another move here so I can pass this growth account to activate this today as a funded account.
Dun, dun, dun.
Seller's trying to step in here. Yeah, I cut that one. I'm done. In the chop zone, getting chopped up.
It's in the middle of the 15-minute, huh?
No, we're not in the middle. We're on the low side,
Okay.
but still getting chopped up.
Crazy. That pivot point is the magnet.
We've literally been hanging around this pivot for this whole session.
Right.
Two more minutes for 11 o'clock.
Yeah, looking at it from this. Like,
Less than a minute for 11 o'clock here.
Come on, baby. Are you ready, Duane?
As ready as I can be. As ready as I can be. It's 11 o'clock.
Wake me when it's over.
All right, gentlemen. Well, I'm gonna be getting off here. I'm getting off this wild ride for the day of just chopping.
I'll see you later.
I'll see you
All
guys
right,
tomorrow.
Take it easy, guys.
Have a good one, guys. Have a good day.
Bye.
For everyone still on the YouTube stream, appreciate you tuning in. Sorry we didn't have a lot of action today. We'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully we get better movement. Until then, stay safe in the markets. Enjoy the rest of your Monday. All right, be blessed.